students, this is Shumona from SIMMI Foundation. Today we are here to learn about an interesting topic named circulatory system in human. You can feel your heart fighting away every time you put your hand to your chest. But do you have any idea what's really gone in there or what keeps your heart ticking? As it should every day, your heart beats about 100,000 times, sending 2,000 gallons of blood surging through your body. Although it's no bigger than your fist, your heart has the mighty job of keeping the blood flowing through 60,000 miles of blood vessels that feed your organs and tissues. Food, water, and oxygen are essential for the existence of human life. Blood transports all these substances through various channels called about blood vessels. Blood vessels involves arteries, veins, capillaries to keep blood flowing throughout our body. We keep a pumping system and the heart is the pump, which is composed of muscles that pumps blood throughout the body, beating approximately 72 times per minute of our life. The human heart has four chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. There are four valves in the heart. These valves are tricuspid valve, mitral valve or a aortic valve, and pulmonary valve. These valves are one-way valve. Now you have seen the structure of the heart. Let us find out how it works. The blood becomes oxygen rich by absorbing oxygen in the lungs. The function starts when oxygenated blood is carried from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart by means of the pulmonary veins. The left atrium releases this blood is pumped into the heart. When the left atrium contracts, the left ventricle relaxes simultaneously. Then the left atrium pushes the blood into the left ventricle through the one-way valve. When the left ventricle contracts, the blood is pumped into the aorta, which carries oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body except the lungs. Oxygenated blood reaches the different parts of the body through blood vessels called arteries. The arteries gets branched into capillaries, which then reaches to the different organs to the body. The blood and becomes deoxygenated and the blood capillaries gets mixed and form thicker blood vessels called veins. The veins carry deoxygenated blood to the heart. The blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood heart are known as vena cava. The deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body enters the upper right chamber of the heart, which is called the right atrium. The right atrium gets contracted, allowing the blood to flow into the right ventricle, which contracts with the expansion of the right atrium through the one-way valve. The right ventricle then contracts, pushing the blood into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation. The lung oxygenates the blood by exchanging of gases and flows back into the heart through pulmonary vein and start the circulatory cycle all over the body again. Students, this process is very simple, but you have to learn and memorize that how does our heart works and how many chamber of our heart present. And the main thing is that you have to memorize and understand the function of every chamber of heart, how blood comes into the heart chambers and from one chamber to another chamber how blood get flows. How many valves are present in the heart? What is oxygenated blood and what is deoxygenated blood? How gas exchange is occur in the lung? What is artery, what is vein, and how deoxygenated blood become oxygenated and transferred through all the parts of our body. This is the simple process you have to know, and I think in this video you can understand the whole process. So for today that's all, and keep learning.